Hey guys, this is FM Viktor Neustroev, and in this video I'm going to tell you my chess story. How I started playing chess, how I became a title player and then a FIDE master. This is the first part of my story where I'm going to focus on my childhood and tell you how I learned chess and started progressing in it. Would you like to know at what age it's better to start playing chess? What to start with and how to make significant progress? If yes, please watch this video and learn from my own experience. Okay, this is FIDE Master Viktor Neustroev and my chess story. How did I learn chess? Good question. When I was 5 years old, my cousin Vladimir, he was 6, and I spent our school holidays at our grandparents' house. We played games like soccer, army and typical kid games. Our grandfather Stepan was a military man and he had a lot of military stuff at home. No weapons of course, but some map cases, medals and military clothing. One day he suggested that we play chess. Chess was quite popular in the Soviet Union, especially among the military. My cousin and I both agreed, and after learning the rules we spent the rest of the day playing chess. Sometimes we got to play against our grandfather, but we never had any hope of outplaying him. I was so young and more interested in sports where I could run around, but my cousin decided to go to a chess school and study with a professional coach. After that, he made very rapid progress and eventually he became a candidate master with FIDE rating of 2266. For some reason he quickly lost the interest and didn't play chess for 15 years after that. I finally went to chess school at the age of 7. Too late, I think. 5 or 6 years is the best age to start playing chess, in my opinion. However, some strong players started learning chess even at the older age. For example, Grandmaster Dmitry Bachurov learned to play chess at the age of 12. The school that I attended was only a 5-minute walk from my home, but we attended the classes together with my grandfather Stepan. My coach, Alexander Tulin, his FIDE rating is 2100, gave us chess puzzles to solve every day. That was my main task at the school. And I'm absolutely sure that solving tactical puzzles is the best way to make rapid progress. In my school, moving pieces was prohibited. The first few puzzles were solved by my grandpa, and then I started to solve them faster than him. For example, if you look at this position, this is one of the examples of puzzles that I got at the age of 7 in one of my first lessons. Here it's white to move, and white checkmates in 4 moves. Usually I solve puzzles in checkmate in 3. So here queen takes f7 check, king goes to h8, queen goes back to h5, king g8, queen h7, king f8 is the only move, queen h8, again the only continuation is king e7, and then after queen takes on g7, black is checkmated. However, I told you that moving pieces was prohibited, and that's why I should solve the puzzle in my mind, visualize the position, and then call my coach to explain the solution. And my task was to say, queen takes f7 check, king h8, queen h5 check, king g8, queen h7 check, king f8, queen h8 check, king e7, queen takes on g7, checkmate. That was the correct solution. My lessons were only an hour long, and immediately after the chess lessons I went home to watch Maya the Bee, a cartoon that was popular that time. However, my coach suggested I take a longer class and I agreed, but then I regretted missing my favorite cartoon. After I made the decision to spend more time on my lessons, my chess strength healthy began to increase and I started to beat my grandfather consistently. Unfortunately, I had to give up chess for a year because we moved to another place and I was unable to attend that chess school. But the year after that, at the age of 8.5, we moved back I didn't go back to the chess school right away, but once my coach met my grandfather, they were living on neighboring streets, and he asked if I wanted to continue my chess lessons. I was happy to come back, of course. In just 1 year, I became the strongest chess player in that school, despite the fact that I was younger than any of other students. In this video, I told you my chess story, at least the first part, how I started playing chess and went to a chess school. Thank you for watching it, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends, chess players. I hope you liked it and learned from my experience. Please don't repeat my mistakes. If you have kids and they show some interest in chess, take them to a chess school when they are 5 or 6. And of course, don't make any long breaks in the chess learning process. Now, would you like to watch the continuation of my chess story and learn more about the way how to become from amateur to a FIDE master? If yes, please watch the second part of my chess story on the screen next. See you there in a moment.